Yeah, so this is what I've been sent. Mellerud and Caravan Shield. Mellerud contacted me and asked me did I want to review some of their products, and I chose this because this is a bit different. And what it says is it cleans and protects in one step for gel coat painted plastic, metal and GFC surfaces. Also suitable for acrylic and plexiglass panes and wheel trims. Creates an ultra thin transparent protective layer resistant to environment, dirt, water and UV radiation. Minimises dirt, water and oil adhesion, making subsequent cleaning easier. I think that was the bit that interests me. Is it going to make it easier to clean? Because I spent 4 hours cleaning yesterday for it to rain today. So it basically you put it on with a cloth. I used a couple of microfiber cloths and you buff it off a bit like a polish, and it was very easy to put on and buff up. But yeah, we'll see how we get on. We're going to Scotland soon, and it's probably the wettest June ever, isn't it, or something? So we'll give it a good test. Won't we, Pops? Hey, you're on guard, aren't you? Van's not looking too dirty. Yeah, I was thinking the van doesn't look too dirty. I think that Mellerud actually seems to work, doesn't it?
Yeah, considering the amount of rain and...
Yeah, everything we've had on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where is it? I've got it here. Yeah, this stuff.
It got rained on at home after you'd put that on.
Yeah. Just that it looks like the dirt. Well, there is dirt on there. It's not surprising, but it's not like black. It's not caked on there.
No.
We have driven through all sorts of weather.
Yeah.
No, it looks good. That stuff. Alright, one of the claims for Mellerud is that it makes it cleaning a little bit easier. It's not too mucky. You can see there's a fair bit of dirt on there, particularly on the back. So I'm just going to give it a clean, just with an ordinary bucket and my normal shampoo, and see how easy it is to clean. don't know if you can see that, but the water's still beading off, so I've still got quite a bit of wax on there. So it's running off quite nicely. Oh. Well, that was literally a quick wash. It took me about 2 hours. I think normally when I clean the van it's taken about 4 hours most of the morning. Last time I cleaned the van I used the Mellerud that had kindly been sent. It's free, and I thought I might as well give it a go, see what I thought. I think it's actually helped to keep the van, well, less mucky basically, and it makes it a little bit easier to clean. I'm not sure how much better this is than a normal polish, but it certainly works as a good, as it says, a Motorhome and Caravan shield. And I've noticed when I was washing it that the water was beading off, so the shine has still lasted, and that's been over 1,000 miles of going through West Highlands and into the islands, and there's a fair bit of muck on the back there. I didn't realise until I started cleaning it. So yeah, I think that Mellerud works very well. It's very difficult to judge it as a system because I did actually use my own cleaners that I've been using previously, but as a polish and as a protector, I think it's quite good. Yeah, so here endeth the plug, and thank you for Mellerud for sending it. I haven't been paid to promote that. Like I said, they saw me on Twitter and they said, why don't you try this? And I thought, well, why not? And very kind of them to send it to me. So if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, remember to subscribe, hit that notifications icon, and we'll catch up with you soon.